I think that the comment made by such and such people, it's quite neglectful on their part, and I think that safety shouldn't just be an issue. It should be a norm in this big city. At the end of the day, if you're talking about respect for women and support from the society, I think that it should be a norm for keeping the women safe. Why should I, as a woman, think about my safety consistently, even when like I have work or I'm just going out for a stroll? I'm not doing anything, or based on my looks, you don't have the right to just harass me. So at the end of the day, safety should be a norm. It's not that a big city there are crimes like this. Such crimes shouldn't happen. If India is progressing, the mindset should also progress. So instead of like thinking about women shouldn't go out at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., at the end of the day, we are humans and we have the right to just go out whenever we want. So it shouldn't be a choice. It should be a right and it should be respected. At the end of the day, men think that it's okay to do whatever they want whenever they want to a woman. It doesn't give them the right. At the end of the day, even you have a sister, you have a mother, you have a family, and you know women are respected. They should be respected. It shouldn't be like, okay, I have done something like this, it'll just get carried over. I think the responsibility from the government should be there towards such crimes, and there should be more stricter punishments and penalties for such things. It shouldn't be just carried over and there are a stack of papers and it's just left there and then dekha jayega, theek hai, baad mein whatever happens will happen and all. It shouldn't be that neglectful.